Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the best CNC machine in this year. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. BobsCNC Evolution 4 CNC Router Kit. This product is designed to use the new GRBL 1.1 firmware and features home switches, NEMA 17 stepper motors on all axes. It also features a 1/4 to 20 threaded inserts, 3 1/4 inch MDF spoil board, Makita RTO 701C variable speed router, GT2 belt drive on Y and X axis, rigid laser cut 5-ply Baltic birch frame, SG2OU supported rail system, a self-squaring gantry, and TR8 Acme rod supported on the Z axis with an Acme nut. The GRBL 1.1 is used on the Arduino Uno and can be repeatable between 0.002 to 0.004. Engraver CNC 1610 CNC Router Kit. This router kit boasts premium quality as it is made of black injection molding material and the latest aluminum profiles for high precision and long-term use. The machine can be easily assembled. It supports Windows 10, 8, 7, XP, SP3, both 32 and 64 bits, and Linux system. Users simply have to connect to a computer using the USB port. This machine has convenient control, aided by GRBL control board, including full functionality, 4-axis drive, and dual Y-axis. It can also perform at a high level and allows for versatility as it can engrave several types of materials. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, I will see you guys later.